Hello lovely people from all over the world, welcome to Mii Paintings. I'm Veronika Mii and today I would like to show you this colorful acrylic pour with little twist. And at the beginning I would like to show you how I mix my colors, because every time I make a new video there are so many new people coming to my channel and it makes me truly happy. And lots of you always ask how I mix my colors, that's why I always show it in the beginning of my videos. But of course, if you already know how I mix my colors, you can skip this part and go to the creative part. So I'll be using these colors from Lucas Krill Studio. I buy these in local art shop and you come from all over the world, so you'll have to search these online if they are available at your country, or you can use different brand. And I'm using cadmium yellow, Indian yellow, peach pink, carmine, sap green, and this is yellowish green. And I mixed my colors with pouring medium. I would like to create some nice cells, that's why I mix it with pouring medium in ratio 1:1. And I use my homemade pouring medium from PVA glue and water. In USA it's called Elmer's glue, in my country it's called Hercules, it's called PVA glue. So 60% of glue and 40% of water, that creates my pouring medium. And I'm gonna do one more thing. I'm going to add 2 drops of silicone oil in each color because it helps to create these nice little cells. But you don't have to put it there. It's just if you want a little bit more cells. And when you use silicone oil, you also have to clean it after your pour is dry. I usually clean it with wet baby wipes. Just gently clean it and it helps me to get rid of that silicone. I mix it up a little bit. I've got my canvas here, which is size 20 × 30 centimeters, and I can start pouring. So firstly I'm gonna pour this yellowish green here on the top of my pour. And I'm just going to move it like this. And let's keep a little bit of that yellowish green, because I would like to pour it in between my red and orange. And then I've got this dark sap green, which I'm gonna put here on the bottom of my canvas. And make sure you cover your corners as well, because you want to have nice corners. Now I can start pouring these. This is carmine. I'm going to pour it here. Then I've got this beautiful peach pink. Let's pour a line here and then here. Now my orange or Indian yellow. Again, pour a line here and also here. And my yellow, pour a line here and here. All of it. So I'm gonna pour that green in here and also like this, because this will symbolize my grass, hopefully, if all works well. Perfect. Now it's time to pour my swiping color here on the top of my pour, like this. And here I've got my plastic sheet. You can get loads of different swiping tools. Somebody told me I could use X-rays or baking paper or baby wipes or cling film, but I prefer using this piece of plastic because it works great as a swiping tool. So let's swipe all the way down this beautiful green color. I would like to use my balloon to create amazing flower looking balloon kisses, and that hopefully will create a beautiful garden. I'm just going to help these corners go down. Okay, so here's my little balloon, and I'm gonna create these balloon stems, and when I make a stamp, then I will wipe it off with this paper wipe. So I don't want these colors mixed too much, just a little bit. So let's try here on the top. You know what, how I could save that? I could move this color down, so I get rid of that. Yeah, you can see there's too much color in there. Yeah, I lost my green, but you know what? If I use my heat gun, I think some green should pop out of here because it's underneath this beautiful orange color. Let's try that. Doesn't matter that it doesn't work out the first time. I still can create beautiful pieces. I know lots of you are sad when things don't work out, but acrylic pouring is amazing because it allows you to experiment and create unexpected pieces. So let's try my heat gun. It's cheap heat gun from Lidl, Parkside. It's not a hair dryer. It's heat gun. It's very hot and it helps to pop all these beautiful cells. Wow, I love these cells, although not too much green showed, or only here and here on the top, but that's okay. I'm gonna still try to create these beautiful balloon stems. Let's try. Ooh, now, here we go. Here's my green. Wow, that's such a beautiful flower. I hope it stays like that. That's what I hoped for, yeah. Now it's much better with cells. It creates much nicer flower. Let's try here. Yellow, which is not very visible, but it's nice. I'm always wiping it off. Oh, I love these. Perfect. Let's create many more and we'll see how that looks. Perfect. I'm gonna keep it like this, let it dry for about 4 days, and then I'm gonna show you what to do next. And meanwhile, I'd like to show you where my inspiration comes from. Last week we visited my favorite town, Znojmo. It's an old historical town with loads of amazing places. It has got this place called Granice and also beautiful national park where I love coming for inspiration, relax and just moments of happiness. I always find so much inspiration there. I love nature and I love going for walks, which clears my mind, and then I come up with so many brand new ideas. So my pour is dry and it turned out amazing. Look at these beautiful vibrant flowers. And it's completely fine if you want to keep it like this, but I feel like the middle part is too yellow and it needs a little bit more dark green in there, so I'm gonna use some acrylic markers. These are from Artistro. I will put the link down in the description box if you'll be interested, and I will embellish some parts with darker green, and I might also use this green earth color and my little brush for that. result of my balloon flower acrylic pour. I wanted to create something vibrant, bright and positive, and I'm very pleased with the result. Look at the joyful painting which appeared on my canvas. The reason why I love acrylic pouring is that it always leads me to unexpected paths. I would never think about creating such a piece if I had to just paint it straight on the canvas, but because of the acrylic pour, I was able to create this beautiful flower composition on my canvas. So I hope this tutorial was inspirational for you. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up or subscribe to my channel. You can also join my Facebook group, which is called Create With Me, and show us your beautiful art. It has got so many details going on. Look at that, so beautiful. So thank you very much for watching, and I can't wait to see you again. Bye!